Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key insights. We'll start with S&P 500. We have something very interesting on the bull to cover. I'll be giving more time to the bull and the AMD today. Okay, S&P 500 market is bullish. At the top, they will keep dropping and buying. This high volatility zone until 17th of October will continue. Market will drop every dip they will buy. Yesterday, when the market was dropping around 450 million imbalance in the morning, right away we knew it. They will buy the dip, and again, this is what happens. They bought the market right away back. Okay, this kind of situation will continue every single day. They will buy the dip, sell the rip. Means every time the market will go up, they will sell. It's a non-directional market. Neither is bearish nor it's bullish. Every time the market will go up, like the 672, 673, again they will sell it. Again it will go to 666 or 668. They will buy again. So this kind of behavior will continue. Okay, because we have a least gamma exposure in this area. The volatility is high. Okay, now let's go to something very interesting happening right now. Okay, we'll go to AMD to understand what's going on with the bull. Okay. So when you have this kind of stock, okay, and this kind of price action behavior, you need to understand what is happening. So you have this previous low of the bull, which was at 93. The price breakout all the way to 200 plus, okay, 224. Then the price came down, did not come to this area, went up, again down, did not come to this area. The price will never come to previous low, okay. So let's look at this one, this area. This is called needed volume right here. Okay, this was the lowest point. Price came down and bounced every time without coming to this price target. Same thing happened on the upside. The price never went to the all-time high. Okay, like this thing, like this. Okay, let me move this one and this thing. Okay, so this is called needed volume. Upside, the price will not go to the all-time high. Downside, the price will not come to the equal low. Then what will happen? There will be a major sell-off. Boom, boom, boom. This is what we are looking at. Okay, continuously sell, 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 sell. All the visitor will be off the train. Okay, take down the previous low, liquidity sweep, stop loss. Every single person out in this area. Means people will give up. They become hopeless. Oh, it's not going to move. It's a piece of shit stock. It's nothing happening. Let me get out. Let me take the loss. Let me move on. I'll buy something else is better off. And then what happens? The biggest move comes right in this area. At $80, I clearly mentioned this is $325 stock AMD. And this is where we are heading. We are still at 213 and this is going 325.04. And that price target was alerted right at this area at $78. This is exactly behavior we are watching today on bull. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, the biggest move on the bull will come now after this. So what is happening? Look here. So this was the previous low right in this area. This was the previous low. Price shoot up sharp, drop down, did not come to this area, left the needed volume in this area. Means this become the empty zone right in this area. Okay, this become your empty area right here. Okay, this fall did not come to this area and the price went up. Same thing, the price did not go up all the way up. Okay, right in this area and left the gap here. Means the seller buyer at the top could not exit. The buyer at the bottom could not buy and the price was sidelined. And then what happened? Sell, 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 sell continuously. Exactly the AMD behavior. Take down all these out, 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 and biggest move. Okay, very similar. Now this sell, 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 sell. What this is doing? This is going for the liquidity grab of taking down, because here this is where the stop loss of all the people, because this was the first the previous low. This is not the previous low. This is not the previous low. This is not the previous low. This is where the stop loss is. This is where the liquidity is. Right below 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum liquidity is right here. If institution need to buy more share and grab everything from the retail investor, they need to take the price down right here. Now, this is where the biggest move of bull will come. And the price target, first price target 21.12, sorry, 21.12. Second price target $40, third price target $105. Eventually, we will take all-time high this this is where the market will go. We will take down this price. No institution will exit the stock unless it break out big time. Okay, and why they will break out? Look at this one. Institution ownership on bull is 92.48% of banks and institution and hedge fund and capital companies and all this. So don't take it lightly, this shit. 92.48% ownership. Okay, there's a two negative things happening right now. Number one, lockup period expiry, the insider will sell their share, but the best part is they will not sell it because the price has dropped. Okay, second thing, institution definitely they don't sell at loss. Somehow you will see a lot of negative news, and that's the condition of the Elliott wave 1. Okay, that's where it always starts. Let me give you that screenshot if I could find quickly. Elliott wave 1 always starts when negative news is always negative. That's the condition of the Elliott wave 1. Okay, look at here. Here, this one, read. So wave 1 means that's when the stock bottom. The news is mostly negative. Open interest in the put option is high. Will usually be the low volume rally and contain the minor short squeeze in case of a new uptrend. Market is not yet convinced that the new uptrend is underway and will be more inclined to wait until the downtrend continue. And this is what the perfect setup on the bull right now. The put volume will be very high today. Open interest in the put side, because everybody thinks, oh, it's going down, let's buy the put. Open interest will increase. There will be a small rally right here, which is also known as the relief rally. Okay, perfect setup for the Elliott wave 1. Okay, everybody will be grabbing this stock right in this area. This is a one of the opportunity which you need to buy. I'll be buying. I'll be loading at the market open. Once I finish this video, I'll start buying right even before the market open. Okay, and I will not be dumping a single share until it goes to 21.12. Okay, yesterday we took the trade, which is short put ratio 1-to-4.8. Our break even is $8 on this one. That's why what you need to understand why we open the short put early, because our break even is around $8. We don't care even if it crash 50%. Still, we will be at break even, and that's why we don't lose trade. Okay, but if you look at the Discord, 1257 was the price target where I alerted that 1257 will buy the share, and 1340 we will short the put. 1340 yesterday we shorted the put. 1257 we wanted to buy the share. Today it's a golden opportunity, like it's extra 50 cents cheaper. We'll buy the share right in this area. At the market open, buy the share, but do not put your entire account in one stock. Okay, just make sure, because this will take few weeks before the trend reverse. It's not going to reverse tomorrow. Okay, so it will take about let's say 2 weeks most likely before we see the reversal. Okay, so make sure everybody has a position on this one, but not too much position. Okay, just don't try to get rich on one stock. That should not be the mindset that, oh, it's going to 21 and let me put everything. Okay, but you should have a decent position, and everyone should have a position in bull now. Okay, let's move forward. As SPY we have done. AI, this is what we were looking at. AI is bullish after this retracement. We have continued. This is what we have been drawing the line, and the price is exactly following. 1, 2, this drop came, 3 came, 4 came. Now we are in the wave 4 and then wave 5. The trend will finish at 2150 roughly, and we'll be out of all the trade with the profit. Moving forward to Amazon, we built our position. It's next to impossible. The stock will not break out after we buy this position. We saw the pseudo dominance right here. Candle number 1, candle number 2, pseudo dominance, institution buy, equal low wick. We were 100% sure that the price will break out. Yesterday it fluctuated $1 or $2. That's good enough. It's fine, because that's where everybody was buying. Now here, 50 EMA direct cross momentum candle, price breakout, price target 240. 240 will be closing the trade. We have it in TFSA, IRA, and our all different accounts. Amazon 240 we will exit. Eventually those who want to hold, 278 is the price target. 278, make sure you cut every position. But we have a clear breakout confirmation on this one. BBAI, big bear. We are waiting for the retracement into this one. We have this trend line. This is what's going on. If I remove my drawing right in this area, what we are looking at, we are looking for one more drop. Most likely this will be the formation of the bull flag right in this area. Something like this, marking lower high multiple time. Okay, like this one. So there is a possibility of one more drop right in this area, at least a revisit 629 area. That's where the institution bought 2.8 4 5 million shares. So 629 is our buy. One more drop, fake out downside of the channel, fake out where the people put open interest will be high and people will be scared, and that's where we'll be buying 629. Okay, that's the area we'll be targeting. Moving forward to BMNR, continue trading. There is a lot of upside. I have been clearly mentioning every pullback on this one is an opportunity to short the put, not buy the stock. We are not buying BMNR. Make sure you know that which stock, every stock has a different strategy. You need to know that which kind of stock you are dealing with, because BMNR is highly volatile. Okay, this can literally go to $14 downside. That's why you need to have a bull put spread on this one. You don't buy the share on these kind of stock. Like you don't buy MSTR, you don't buy Palantir, you don't buy BBAI, you don't buy a share on these kind of stocks. Okay, you buy you take a bull put credit spread. When there is a high volatile, high beta stock, never try to build a position on those stocks. Okay, so what we are looking at, bull put credit spread, continue holding. Okay, there's a hell of upside on this one. Any retracement here will be a golden opportunity. Moving forward to bull, I just covered buy, simple answer, buy. That's it, nothing else. There's nothing to worry about. You see the golden cross, death cross is golden cross is about to appear, highly oversold. The price will not stay here. Okay, so moving forward to coin, again, similar stock, every drop is a buy. So right in this area, we are waiting for a retracement back into 337, 338 area, and then we'll be taking a big position again. This is wave 1 going on right here. Wave 2 is showing the perfect pattern, the drop, recovery, and there will be another drop, A, B, C of the wave 2. So 338, 337 area will be going big on coin. Again, the price is heading into 500 plus. There is nothing to worry about for a little bit of pullback, but 33748 will be our big position we'll be taking. Moving forward to Circle, continue bullish. So very similar stock. Every dip must be buy on this one. Doesn't matter if after we buy and it drops another few dollar, it doesn't matter. It will come back into profit. What we are looking at here, we are looking at a fair value gap right in this area, right here. Okay, right here. This is our next buy, 135. The bottom is still 122. If the price goes for the liquidity grab, even if you buy at 135.68 and it goes to 122.84, you double down your position. Do not panic. Oh, it dropped another $13. Okay, we want it to drop so that we can buy more of this. Okay, eventually the price is going to $652.12. There is a hell of upside on this stock. Okay, right now a lot of people might not agree. Oh, it's never going to 652. We will show you. Okay, this is how we can show people, those who think it will not go. Let me show you something. So when I have some price target and when I post something, I know that what's going on behind those. Very similar to the UNH. How precisely we knew it? 90 days, 371.16. And today we mark the 90 days on the UNH. I'll show you that. Okay. So moving forward to CoreView. This is the stock that you want to be careful, but you want to make sure you want to have a position in this one. Your plan should be right in this area. This is what we are targeting, 104, 105 area. I will take the position closing of this particular candle, the closing of this candle, not the wick. Wick has zero importance in the trading industry. Okay, so closing of this particular candle was 108.64. That will be my next big entry on CoreView. Stock had a bearish divergence, price is dropping. We have a death cross going on continuously. There will be a little bit of more push down. Okay, right now the stock is trying to bounce off the 50 EMA, one bounce, and then it will fail. So eventually the price will come to 108, and that's where I'll be taking a big position. Moving forward to GameStop, we'll continue holding our position. We are going to see the reversal from here. Why we'll see the reversal? Look at the candle, big, and suddenly then you have a small. That's called candle body decay reversal. That means the seller are in exhaustion. That shows the seller behavior when the candle become smaller and smaller. Means they are not dumping the share. Means they have reached to a level where they are stopping to sell, and the buyer is pushing the candle up. Okay, when you start understanding two people are fighting and they're pulling the rope and the rope stays still, that's when you know that, okay, price is about to reversal. This particular candle wick, most likely this candle is the bottom of this sell-off, and it will not drop below 23.96, and the price will go up from here. Okay, well, where it will go up, 26 to 27 area, because that's the retracement, Fibonacci retracement. First lower high right in this area. This is what you will get, the first lower high, and one more time the price will sell. This is not the end of the sell. Okay, price will go from here. This is a wave B recovery, $27, and then again there will be one more sell off, most likely double bottom. You will see again 23 area. Okay, Meta, I will cover that, Meta and Oracle. All right, no problem. Moving forward to him, so we are continue bullish. Yesterday I mentioned we have a golden cross, we have the RSI bullish. We are going for a team up breakout. This trend line we will break out this time because we have a multiple rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This time we are looking to break out, and the stock is heading into 70 area. Maximum gamma exposure is $65 to 75 area. So we are looking at 65 to 70 area, and then we see the pullback. Moving forward to IonQ, stay clear of this garbage. I'm not a very big fan of this. Bearish RSI, death cross, I'm ready to short this one. As soon as this green line, which you see this green line, which is 9 EMA, as the first candle drop below 9 EMA, I'll be opening a short position. How I'll be opening a short position, you need to be very careful with IonQ. When you short the position on stock, which is retail frenzy, retail is mad and buying left and right. It's a stupidity kind of rally. What do? You always buy a call on that stock at the money call. So you buy short the 100 share right in this area, 100 share short sell, and you buy at the money call for 45 days, 90 days. Okay, from here. What will happen the worst case? Let's say it squeeze or anything goes wrong or new deal, because nowadays there is a lot of deal thing going on. NVDA investing in ChatGPT investing in AMD investing in some third company, and they are playing around. Okay, it's a corporate manipulation going on right now. Nothing on the ground has changed. No, not even a single CPU, GPU, anything has changed on the ground. But people are playing it. 300 billion for Oracle has been created, 100 billion for NVIDIA has been created, 70-80 billion for AMD has been created, just putting the signature on the paper. It's all bullshit going on right now. And same thing with the quantum computing. Eventually, these AI and quantum computing will be the responsible for this market crash, which is going to happen. Okay. So what we are looking at, you short this stock right at the first candle after the 9 EMA opening and closing the candle below 9 EMA, and you buy at the money call. After that, you have a hedging and hold your position until this shit drop to 34.40 area. Moving forward to Mara, nice bounce. Our call for the 31st of October, which we have long 16, short 20, will be settling for profit. Both will settle, and then after that, we'll start trading. We are not opening any new trade right in this area unless the price goes to 1573. Price drop to this trend line, which is the third touch point, fake out after the this Fibonacci level. So 1573 will be opening the new position. Till then, we'll stay clear and let our existing trade settle. What is the liquidity? Liquidity is sitting right here at the closing of this particular candle, right in this area, closing, which is 1605. This is where the liquidity is, and price will come 1605. Record it, write it, stamp it. Price will fall to $16. This is how the market take down retail investor again and again and again and again. Because retail investor, when the price is here, they think, oh my God, now we are going to 100. No, we are not going anywhere. It was trading at $16. We are going back to $16 and a stop loss under $16. This is how market behavior. Market will take you every single time where it was. Moving forward to MSTR, yesterday we call it that, okay, 329.08 will be the support change into resistance. Right here multiple times. You see that's the price again and again, and this is where what we are looking at. We are looking at this one, a very classic example. Another thing to learn here, you see that the supply, the next supply was smaller. So weakening supply. There were two candles of the supply, then there was one. So when something become weaker and weaker, suddenly that will become strong. So what are you looking at? Two candle, one candle, boom, supply took over. Now, again, you will see the recovery, and then moving forward, like 385 area. Now the stock is heading into 385. You will see bigger supply at the 385, bigger than this one. Okay. So let's say this dropped about 360 to 330 area, like $30. When the price reaches 380, 385 area, then you will see more than $30 drop. Okay, let's say the $50 drop. So from 380, then you will see again back 340 area. Most likely a bigger drop than this one right at 385. Means supply will keep increasing moving forward. Okay, so 385 will be going covered on MSTR, and all the position will be closing in profit. We'll be playing with the covered call on this one, which we have against the $600 call. Once we reach the price 385, then I'll be giving you the plan how to play with that. Okay, moving forward to NVIDIA, this is the trend line we are looking at. So the price will go recovery here, Another lower high, price drop. We are not opening any trade before 175 area. We'll wait for the retracement. Moving forward to Oracle. Okay, what we are looking at, this price action is right here. If you look at this big particular candle right here, that's what I'm interested at. So right here, this become the previous low right here. What was happening when the price was started going upward right in this area, which we went to 296? Where was the stop loss liquidity hunt? Right here. And look at this, how precisely this wick came to take the liquidity right in this area, So a little more. I don't know what's wrong with trading view drawing. Okay, right in this area. See how precisely the wick took this one and went back. Okay, so this is what will happen. There is nothing to panic about. This is the stock in the buy zone. We are looking at 400 plus price target. It's a long hold. You need to understand there are different stock we trade in a different strategy. Like Netflix, we want to buy and hold. Costco, we want to buy and hold. Amazon, we want to buy and hold. Oracle, we want to buy and hold. These are not your daily stock that you buy today and tomorrow morning you wake up in profit. Okay, you buy them and hold them for 3 to 4 weeks at least, maximum 6 weeks. That's the idea. You hold them for 1.5 months. And then you close for the profit. Okay, so we are bullish on this one. There is nothing to panic on Oracle. You will see the third touch point on the trend line right here, point of control 306. Even if the World War IV started, still the price will go to $306. Let me tell you that. Okay, so if you are buying here, you will never turn into loss. There is no reason that you will turn your trade in loss. Moving forward to Oscar. We are out of all the trade, and this is the box we drawn yesterday. This is where we are looking at the price to drop. Okay, so the price will continue dropping. Next buy will be 17 area, right in this area, 1737, equal of the institution buy. 737,000 shares were purchased right at this week. Closing of this particular candle will be my next buy, which is 1786. I will not be opening any trade on this one now until 1786. Okay, solid death cross. RSI overbought. Price is about to go through the down loop right in this area. 1786 will be the next buy. Moving forward to QuantumScape, same very interesting price action. The market will continue pushing higher and higher, but it will be choppy. Like every pullback, they will buy, every rip, they will sell, because it's a market manipulation at the top. Moving forward to QuantumScape, we'll stay clear. We are not buying in this area. We are waiting for 11 to 10 area to buy. Stock will eventually sell because there is no revenue, there is no product, nothing. It's a pre-revenue company. It has a hell of potential, but not at this stage. The price will go up and down. Okay, so around $10, we are a buyer. We traded from 457 to 1377. We are quite happy with that trade. We missed this run. We are okay with that. Sometimes we miss the trade. So we'll wait for the 11 to 1070 area. Again, we buy. Until then, we'll stay clear of QuantumScape. Moving forward to Rivian. Stock is back in the buy zone. Okay. So this is what we are looking at. Very similar setup which we are watching on the bull. Okay. Look at this one. What's going on? This was the previous low right in this area. This is the previous low. Again, the price went up, back, down. Again, there is a cup setup here. So now here, this will be the selling climax, and the price will shoot up back into 1504 area. At 1504, again the price will sell. What we are looking at, we are looking for the price to form a symmetrical triangle right in this area. So down, up, down, up, down, and eventually squeeze in this area and then break out. Okay, eventually this stock will go to 25 area, $25 plus. Okay, that's where its justified price is 25 area. Okay, downside, the stock has two brackets. If it failed to hold $13, then we will enter the $10.53 to $13 bracket, and one bracket is from $13.52 to 17 area. This stock always trade in two bracket. You should know that which stock are you trading and what's the price action on this one. If this failed to hold $13.52 and do not reclaim that price, then we will trade between $10.75 or $11 to $13.52 range again and again multiple times before it regain the $13.52. If we reclaim $13.52, then we will stay between $13.52 to 17. And unless we break 17, we are not going towards 20. Every time it will go to 17, it will sell off. There are two range of this stock. Okay, moving forward to SMCI. What we are looking at on SMCI? Hell of upside. Okay, there is a hell of upside. When the stock was trading at 39 something, 39.84, when we took the entry, I knew this is heading into 83.22, and this is what's going on, but not without the retracement here. Okay, the retracement is due. We had enough run from 40 to 55, which is $55 run. So what will happen eventually? You will see some news right in this area, this super micro computer as well. You will also see some deal between ChatGPT, NVDA, and all this. There is something about to happen on this one. The very similar thing going on in the market. NVIDIA, AMD, ChatGPT, and all these companies, Oracle, they are like these deal shit going on. You know what they are playing with is the pumping the book values of everybody together, you know. So let me tell you what happened. NVIDIA invested 100 billion into ChatGPT. ChatGPT signed an agreement with NVIDIA to buy the more chip. Okay. So like I give you 100 billion and you buy the product from me. Then OpenAI will buy the chip from AMD, and AMD will give back 10% of stake of the company to OpenAI. And then OpenAI will invest 300 billion in Oracle, and Oracle will buy the chip from NVIDIA. So you see that what's going on? Total book value manipulation. Here is the screenshot. I'll show you what's going on. Those who are watching this is what's going on. This is not normal. Look here. So NVIDIA invested 100 billion into OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT will buy the chip from NVIDIA. Okay. Then OpenAI buy the chip from AMD, and AMD hand over the 10% company to OpenAI. Then OpenAI invested 300 billion into Oracle, and Oracle will buy the chip from NVIDIA. So you see that last few weeks, if you see, NVIDIA price has gone up, this AMD price has shoot up, and the Oracle price has gone up. 300 billion gain here, 100 billion gain here, and this AMD got 60-70 billion yesterday. Okay, this is what they are playing around. It's a total loophole. Okay, so nothing is real on this one. Nothing has changed on the ground. Nothing changed with ChatGPT. Nothing changed on AMD, NVIDIA, Oracle. Nothing has changed on the ground. The deal is for 5 years, 10 years. Okay, but everybody they already created the 500 billion from the thin air, and that's something coming up for the SMCI, right? Within 1 or 2 weeks, I'm telling you, they will bring SMCI into this loop because NVIDIA is the partner with SMCI. And the next deal, something will happen between ChatGPT, NVIDIA, Oracle, SMCI. Something is about to happen. I can sense that. Okay, what the book value they are playing. So be careful. There's a hell of upside. We'll continue trading on this one. Every dip is a buy. Okay, moving forward to SoundHound. We are waiting for the retracement on this one. We did one trade and we took the exit right in this area. After our exit, the price has not been able to go upward. This is where we took the exit, 1823, and now trading at 1839. Price has been up, down, up, down, up, but still in this area. Since our exit, the price has not gone up. And the reason to exit here was these particular candle, very similar pattern, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's a possibility of reversal here from this area, and that's what we are waiting, which side we are going. Okay, so we are monitoring this one. There is a lot of upside on this one as well, but we don't buy at the top. We want to wait for the sell-off. Okay, moving forward to VIX. Yesterday I mentioned the VIX will not stay here. There is no way the VIX will stay down. Okay, right here you look at this particular candle, this particular candle, this particular candle, all these candles closing within this candle. The VIX will not stay here. VIX will uplift from here, and that will make the S&P 500 fluctuate a lot. People, they will buy the every dip. Every single day you will see the S&P 500 first dropping and then buying it. Then end of the day it's going up, and next day opening green and then going red and then coming back. This is the price action you will see until 17th of October. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin. I'll go to the Meta quickly. Okay, the Bitcoin, similar price action. We are here. Once we were trading right here, I told you all-time high and retracement. Again, we will have a lower high, 124. We are in recovery. Again, we will sell more sell-off. The price has to go to SR interchange, very similar to the MSTR action we saw. Price has to go to 117, and there is no exception. There is no exception. It has to go to 117 before it go up to 139. It has to drop. Okay, moving forward to Algorand, continue holding your position. We are in good position right here. We'll see the breakout soon. We are looking to close first exit point 34, second exit point 55, and third exit point 90. I won't be holding personally for 0.90. I don't know when it will go to 0.90, but yes, 0.55, I'll be exit of all the trade. Okay, let's look at Meta. What we are looking at? Meta, we are looking at a buying opportunity right in this area, equal low right here, closing of this particular candle, equal low taken down. This was the fake, like what do you call, make you feel like, oh, you'll miss it, like creating a FOMO. These candle, like here, the price dropped, suddenly the green candle started, and again sell off, liquidity grab. 667 is the bottom. That's what I'm looking at. But even if you buy here, right here, okay, you are good. You are not going to lose the trade on this one. You see this liquidity sweep right in this area, which was 691. Precisely the price came to 699, 690.55. This is what I have been talking about. Liquidity sweep, exactly the same candle. This is the pseudo dominance right in this area. This particular candle and this particular candle, same shape, same wick right in this area. You see that this particular candle, the body at the top and the wick at the down, same area, same candle, the body at the top and long wick. This is the pseudo dominance candle, and this point was the bottom. It's not going to drop below this point. 690.96 was the bottom, and the price is 714 today. And yesterday I mentioned you buy this stock. We have the pseudo dominance right in this area. Now you are buying the stock even at 714. You can buy. It's not late. We are going to 1,000 plus. First price target 790. Second price target will be, let me give you precise before the market open. We have taken the trade yesterday on the Meta bull put spread. Everyone is in profit on that trade. Okay, we bought it yesterday. Meta call spread was alerted in the Discord. Everyone is in profit. Price target 1132.99. Make sure bottom 690.51. Price target of wave 3 has started 1132.99. Do not close your trade until price goes to 1139. Forget about 799. 1132.99. If you can't make $400 per trade here, 1132.99. This is your exit. Do not close anything below this price. Enjoy. There will be a hell of money to be made on this one. Okay. Right here. And if you want me to give you the date, I can tell you precisely which date the price target will be hit. Okay. Let me give you the date. 16th of January. 16th of January, and maximum time frame, most likely 16th of January, you will hit the 1,000 plus on Meta. Let me give you another date. Which one is, it's not, it's flipping. All right. So 16th of January and 9th of May. 9th of May, the price will be even higher from 1132. Price will be even higher. The first price target will be 16th of January. Hold all your trade for 16th of January. Any trade you are opening on Meta, hold for 16th January. Do not close. Let the World War IV start. None of your business. Hold your trade. Okay. This is the price target we are targeting. Do not exit for small profit, $200, $300, $500. Let it print per contract. If you're looking at, we are looking at a $40,000 profit on per call spread. $40,000. Hold your trade. That's all. Market is open. Thank you so much for tuning in. And let's see the Discord member in the Discord. Thanks. Bye.